Hello guys, happy Easter. So I found my Easter basket. I'm gonna give you a little haul, show you what's in it. First was this like not by number thing, but it's like a hard version. And pair of bunny chicks. Ornaments. Oh, that's rough. This chocolate bunny. These two Neatos, which are actually like, it's the normal size ice cube and the mini one. This chocolate chick thing. Two of these Cadbury chocolate eggs with like the filling inside. And then it's gummy coasters. These 4 eggs full of jelly beans. 4 of these Kit Kat bunny things. And 3 Reese's eggs. And then this like capybara, like crazy Aaron's thinking buddy. But happy Easter. We're gonna go get ready for church, and then later today I'm gonna forge, so stay tuned. But yeah.